Yo, what up, guys? Just gonna get started here in a few minutes. A couple minutes. Let people get in here. Might be looking at a full 50% retracement here coming into a PM session. So
It's a little tricky right now, so
it is.
still could be like it could rip right down. Like we just banging into the 15-minute order block here.
Block, yeah. Yep.
So
You think we're looking at possibly a hourly 50% retracement here? Think we get all the way up to
no, I
455?
mean it's Friday, so I wouldn't expect so much. I think it like the fact that we've gone right back into the hourly busy or the weekly busy means I'm thinking it's going to go take quite a bit more liquidity.
Yeah. We may not inverse that a weekly. Earlier, I thought we would, but it's not looking that way now.
No. The indices are very bullish by nature.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I got shaken out of a trade just now because I didn't want to hold it till 1:30 just in case.
Right.
And I don't like the movement now. It's like very up and downish.
Yeah. Let's
Like
go
it's not.
look at
But there's a nice little busy at 352 that could be interesting if it holds.
352. Oh, you're looking on the 1 minute. Gotcha.
No, on the 5 minute.
Oh, 5 minute. Let's see. How long we got? Oh, we got 28 minutes till we. Yeah. This could just be one big Judas to then go tap this hourly too. Push lower.
Something here. You know what?
Yeah, we could get TGIF as well. I was looking at that too. Well, actually, let's see where TGIF lines up. Have have you considered that market at all?
I'm just trying to figure some. Just one
Oh,
second.
okay.
Oh man, we're going up. We're basically above the weekly order block now.
Oh yeah,
Like
we
no doubt,
bounced right off of it, huh?
no
Yeah.
doubt, we're going to go up like very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
We should get a nice big move up here and take something.
Yep.
Like the fact we just kind of like we reacted at 50% of the wick on the weekly order block, and
So yeah,
now we've actually got above the high, so I can't see it coming back down into the weekly order block.
you're talking
It's about
about
350.
this. You're talking about this wick right here.
It might retrace back down to it, but I'd like to
Mm-hmm.
see it get the high first. That's
Oh yeah, you're right. We went right off the wick, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, I was just
Equal
gonna.
highs at 405.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like those.
I was gonna mark those as well.
I was trying to get those earlier.
Yeah.
I'd like to see it take a quick run. I don't want to see it do any retracements.
Yeah.
If we're short, like I don't know, it might come back down.
So let's have to wait and see what 2 o'clock gives us too.
Yeah, I would rather we didn't get a retracement down to the weekly order block. I want to see us just like rip.
Yeah.
Anything. Probably will.
That's the thing. We can't even get a dealing range here because there's just no highs. I guess we could. There's highs up here. It's still pretty bearish though. I mean, like on like from a structure.
I don't think so.
From a
Not
structure
anymore.
standpoint. From a structure standpoint, not like an ICT like reversal standpoint. We are putting in these the 15s above or below that we could retrace
back
to.
down to that little area.
Yeah.
I wouldn't trust this as a reversal yet, but you know it's still pretty bearish. But the fact that we've gotten above the weekly order block high,
yep.
To me, like if we're really bearish, we shouldn't be getting back above that.
Well, that's a good point. I didn't even notice the wick of that weekly OB.
Yeah, we're hitting it now, the high.
Yeah.
No, we shouldn't get digging into that. This BISI on the 5 minutes should drive us right up if we're
truly bullish here. Yeah. Yeah, these are equal highs up here, so keep these marked.
We just banged off there. You don't want to see maybe there's an inverse on this 1 minute here.
Yep.
If it comes down, it comes down. There's nothing you can do. The hourly BISI will hold, but I mean, a weekly order block like that, when you kind of rip through it like that, should hold. But I don't like this. It's coming down heavy.
It is, but well, we got 15 below us too, Mark. So
what?
A 15 busy below us.
Yeah, but I mean, you shouldn't be digging into that order block again a second time. Like when you come out of that order block, it should.
Oh yeah, because it's your weekly order block. Yeah.
Like we've displaced outside of it. Like if we're going back in it, we're going all the way to the low.
Low. Yep.
This is going to tell us everything. So did we get that 5 minute order block? Yeah, we barely got it. Barely, but I still don't trust it. There's still highs above. I'd like if we inverse this 1 minute above, which is not looking like it wants to right now.
There we go. So yeah.
I don't like how it's like it's lagging.
It is.
It's a tough one.
Yeah, I think obviously 2 o'clock could show us a lot too, but or is this one big Judas swing from? It's just a weird time for the Judas swing to start though, but.
A sec. Calibrating here. Yeah, this is the order block here at 350. Oh, we're going right through it.
Yeah.
It's not. It's pretty heavy now.
I gotta watch the.
It could still come up. I don't like this movement at all.
Yeah. Let's see where 50 lines up here. I mean, 50 lines up in the middle.
Oh, we reacted. The 5 minute order block just slammed us down.
Oh, yeah. The 15 as well. Yeah, you're talking about. Yeah, it's right there.
Could get a 50%er, but I mean, I don't want the bodies are holding that order block.
Yeah.
Like I think if we inverse this 1 minute, we're going.
It's also like a weird time to get a 50% too, like in the middle of 1:30, 2 o'clock time frame. So nice Hidalgo.
This is heavy. This is really heavy now. Like you see all the gaps in the 1 minute candles.
Yeah. Got a bunch of VIs, huh? Yeah. VI, little VI
Ugly.
Up here. Yeah.
I don't know if that's no volume or I don't like.
Yeah, lab. We're streaming in in the Discord. Or we just came out of this 5 mark. Let's see. I mean, obviously if you're bullish or you want to see a close over this 5 minute. But,
I don't like that we closed below the 5 minute up candle here.
Yeah, we did. I'm not showing that we did.
Could be. I'm sorry.
I'm not showing that we did. I showed.
Oh, you're right. We did.
Yeah.
We volume melts down.
Yeah, close perfectly here. Nice A-rash. Yeah, Bernie. I mean, it kind of looks that way, especially if we inverse this 1 minute back up here. This might be a good 1 minute actually, for like order flow anyway. Not necessarily a trade I would take here, but for order flow purposes.
I mean, there's a lot of like equal highs up there and stuff
Yeah.
that could go to,
Oh.
and we are reacting off of the weekly order block.
Yeah.
Right now we're in a little bit of a range, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I don't like the way it's trading here at all.
Yeah. Yeah, Tennessee Dave. So when you're looking at order blocks, you want to see it close below the wick. You want to see it disrespect that entire candle, not just the body. But
I think we're going back down.
Looks like it. At least out of the 15.
It's manipulating like crazy on these lows, so you got to be really careful.
Well, we did leave equal highs up here at 353.75.
I know, but it's like I don't like what I'm seeing here.
No.
It's really manipulating. See, it's not closing below that green up candle on the 1 minute.
Yeah. Just looking here. Let's see. Obviously, being important. Yeah, we gotta watch the hourly close too. See if we get that inverse. But like you said,
I think it's going to go up. I think it's just going to play with us a bit.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's got that buy model look to it. It's got a nice curve.
I mean, we've taken a lot of range down.
I mean, like we've dropped enough to where like this is where like when like whenever I'm looking for like a 50% retracement, this is the signature in price that I'm looking for. Like, you know, just a bunch of back-to-back down candles or up candles, and that's when you expect your 50%. Like it just drops so much that the market needs to rebalance. But yeah, Hill Doggo, I have 50% drawn for the entire leg is 455. So yeah, 455. Just gotta be patient here, Mark.
It's gonna come down.
Yeah.
For a little bit now. Release to that 5 minute busy below, which is at the C of the hour. But it's not straight lining like it was before. It's just up and down, up and down.
It's taking its time. If we leave these equal highs, they could make a nice target, but we did dig into that one, didn't we? Yeah, those equal highs are in that 1 minute. So it's a 4-hour look, nasty. It's crazy though how the 4 hours have told the story for this entire move down. It's just order block respected up here, and then today this wick dug up into this order block here, and then right back down. It's made the bias very, very clear the last this entire week. Equal lows at 321. Okay. What, in 1 minute, I'm assuming? Yeah, I see him.
It's really stuck at this 342 level.
Yeah. Biden's talking right now too, so I have to watch out for that.
Bring it down, possibly.
Yeah.
Usually he talks, it drops.
Yeah.
No, but I mean, like in all seriousness,
you're not wrong. No, yeah, exactly.
It's nothing to do with politics. It's like every time he talks, it drops.
It was just a good use of words. Down to the 5 here.
See?
We got equal lows, down at 321.
What's the 50% Leppyrd?
The whole move here was it was towards 25% of the 15. Yeah, so like 304. Yeah, at 304. Good point,
Or we
Plow.
got a
Thanks. Yeah.
15-minute order block that's sending us down too. This could go down a little bit.
Yeah.
It comes back.
Nice rejection off the 5, 15. Yeah, because I was looking earlier and I was like, we have not made like a 15, and we made 115 Sibi here, but you like see every other one was filled perfectly. It was like a rebalance and then just pushed back lower. I was like, there's no 15s in inverse here. Obviously, there's no clear 5s. We had one here, but just yeah, Hidalgo. It's key. It's just how the market moves. All right. Well,
Yeah, but I mean, I think that because this is the CE of the hourly, it's got to hold.
Yeah.
This does not hold, we're going down.
Yep. Just a little retrace.
I would watch this 1 minute order block at 142.
Yeah, if we close above it. Yeah, there's like there's obviously nothing. Well, I guess there would be a 1 minute inverse now. How many points is that up? It's 11 points up to the equal highs. Yeah.
Took the low.
Took low, hit the 5. Later, Plow.
It's tough now because a lot of the moves happened. Just trading the remnants, but
what do you think, Mark? If we get this OB and plus the inverse with equal highs,
we get the OB.
Yeah,
I think we're good.
Yeah. Might get it before we even get the OB.
Thing is, you do have that 5 minute, which I don't like.
Yeah. Oh, the 1 minute OB, you mean? Yeah. Yeah, we just banged right into it. All right, Mark. There's the OB retap.
Yep. I want to see it get up and like go up like nothing on top of it exists.
Yeah. You want to see clear expansion just like this. Yeah. And there's equal highs.
There's equal high. I mean, it needs to go up more.
Yeah.
It's been going down all the day. And you have a 15 in potential, a 15-minute order block if it can get up there.
Boom, there's equal highs. So, I mean, there's 9 points if you took it. Did you take that, Mark?
As soon as it closed above the 1 minute, I entered.
Gotcha.
On demo. I'm just trading demo.
Yeah.
But this has got some nice momentum. Let's see if it can keep it up. It has to get through this fair value gap here on the 1 minute.
Yeah. This is 50 back up.
If we can clear, I mean, we're running out of time. We got to get out of here by
2 o'clock. Yeah.
We got to be out of this busy. And usually when it runs stops, it should be going like parabolic. Shouldn't have a lot of chop.
D, I think I would use this like 1 minute. FVG is more of for order flow than in entry. Just like to tell me that, okay, well, we inversed here. Obviously, we should push higher. I don't know if I would actually take this. What do you think, Mark?
What's that?
Like, would you long this 1 minute if we inverse it, or just use it for order flow?
It's going to be interesting because we're in a very interesting area. I mean, I would watch for the hourly inverse. I probably would, but I would manage my risk really tight because it could come right back and bite you. It's not like it's respecting the CE right now.
I was just going to say that. I was just going to draw the CE of that 1 minute.
But we'll see what happens. And this minute needs to like really respect the fair value gap below and rip up through it. Even if it doesn't tap in, that's even better.
Yeah, it would be better if it pushes over this 1 minute.
What I don't like is that YM Dow Jones is taking all the highs.
Yeah, I think it's pumping.
There's a lot of SMT, you know. And now we've tapped. If we break this, we shouldn't break that busy below.
Yeah.
I want to see a close above that down candle on the 5 minute.
Oh.
Still 3 minutes. Don't get that.
Yeah, this nasty doji looking guy.
Well, it's very choppy. Like right now, it's not trying. It's trying to keep its hand secret. Because that order block is right at the weekly order block. I feel like it's going to do a nasty dig down first.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna let anybody in. Like
I'm going to
nicely.
get stopped at a break even here if it goes down one more tick.
Oh,
So far it's
you didn't take profit at the
no,
equal highs. Okay.
no. I want the equal highs way above.
Yeah. Oh, the ones at 405.
Yeah, I'd like to see a good move up. I think we've gone down a lot.
Mm-hmm.
How many points did we go down today? Like over 400?
Yeah. We were down.
I mean, the market doesn't usually move more than like 400 or 500 points in a day. So once you get to those levels, you know, looking for continuations is kind of frivolous.
Yeah. And what we bounced right off of 3 standard deviations of the Asia range, or did we push lower after that? I can't remember. No, I think that's where we did go lower, huh?
Yeah. Exactly 4.
Let me show these guys. So
the ICT 10 to 3 or 10 to 2 macro hopefully will push us up.
Yeah, you see, we bounced right off 4.
We have to make that order block happen.
Yeah, you're right, Mark. Going right off 4 of Asia.
Got 1 minute left. We need that 5-minute order block to be bullish.
Bullish, yeah. Let me turn this off here.
We do have a breaker. I don't want to see any more stop runs. Like I just want to see this thing go. Because if you're gonna, it should be stop running all the people who are short right now.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be coming back down and nailing any of the longs.
I guess we took these equal highs.
You know, those are the people who are in the money.
Yep.
30 seconds.
Look. Yeah, we gotta watch this 5. Yeah, so far respecting the rejection block of the 5 from the highs. But
careful, because these things can, in these conditions, when it's bullet bearish like this, can look like they're going and just be a big nasty wick. 9 seconds.
Oof. You're watching the 135 candle, right, Mark?
Well, it's not a nice looking order block. But
no, you're talking about the you're
the 140.
Yeah, the 140 one. The one it's just a wick.
Yeah, but it's like at least it's something.
Yeah.
Like if we're closing above down candles, that's bullish order flow.
Yeah.
And it came and it did its little dig. Now I want to see some very fast displacement up.
Yeah.
Like we need, like if it wants to go after stops, it's got to move like hell.
Yeah.
You know, it's got to stop respecting this stupid 1 minute. Zibi.
Nice ainer. A little LR here. Should run it here.
We're down at 10-2 macro.
There, just like that. I want to see some movement. Oh yeah.
Still, I don't trust it until we get out of this 1 minute FEG.
Yep. No, it's still holding. CE is still being respected, but see us close over these 2 down candles too. Give us another OB. If we close over here, it should just mean we go right for the highs. But
careful, because we can go right back down very fast.
Yeah.
If you're not in at a good entry, don't try and chase.
Yeah.
Unless we get a clear inverse, then I would look at it. I mean, I missed my stop by 1 tick when it came to that little stop run.
Yeah. See if we close over CE of this 1 minute.
It's struggling.
It is. It's not giving you that displacement.
Also forming a 5 minute, so you might want to come down and test that too. Just remember, I would rather it didn't.
But you're going to close over these 2 down candles from 146 and 147. So
we are.
Yep.
Haven't closed yet.
Yep. Now we did, and we closed over CE of this 1 minute SIBI. So
didn't close over that high though.
No, not over the high.
Yeah, we closed over CE of the SIBI. That's right.
Yeah.
I'm cautious when you're counter trending. You know.
Yep. I'm just saying we put in another. A 1
counter trending can be very painful like this.
Yep.
This could go all the way back down now.
Yeah. Well, technically this is your OB, so.
It could go run this low, and that's what it's going to do.
Yep.
All right, I'm out at break even. Yep. There you go. That's why you have to be so careful.
You got to be careful. Yep. Crypto, I'm not sure. I don't run Rhythmic on on Apex. I know they've been having issues. No, Mark, we did make a 15-minute busy down here now.
Doesn't matter. Not inversing the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's the big thing is the 1 hour. You're right.
I mean that 1 minute held.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's very tricky because like you don't want to like be shorting way down here.
Yep.
It's not giving you a confirmation of a long.
Not at all. This is where
I'm watching the 5 minute above. That's a propulsion block on the 5 minute. Jeez.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, because it's coming off of here, and well, this would be your propulsion. You're right. So you got this candle close below. It's retested.
So if we don't get back in that 50 by 350, 155, we're going down.
I respected that the rejection block of that 5 minute OB at the highs. Nicely, almost CE of the wick of it actually.
Don't want it going back in there. If you're bearish.
Yeah, this 5 minute close would be very, very important too. See if we close below, get that 5 minute prop block.
I mean, I'd be very surprised if it went back down, but
yeah,
it's telling us that right now. But it could just be manipulated. Like we could inverse this and go right through that. See?
Yep.
And these two 15-minute candles can just be pure accumulation.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Looks like we might get that prop block, Mark. Yeah. All right.
We did.
We got the 5 minute. Yeah.
Might not respect it though.
It might not. Yeah.
The manipulation going on here, it's very goddamn awful.
We could come back up here and close above this 15-minute down candle. Now we got a 15-minute OB.
Digging in there. Oh, like it should not be digging in there.
No.
That thing should have repelled it down.
Yep. Yeah, when you get a prop block, yeah, you expect immediate expansion down, not this. So. It's a one look. So we'll watch this 1 minute Sibi now as well.
That's frustrating.
Oh yeah.
Really ugly PA.
Yeah, so far. Might get something at 2 o'clock. Might be what we're all waiting on. But.
Yeah. Like that prop block, it'll probably wick into it, but that's just a sign of very ugly.
Yeah.
Ugly PA. I still think it's going to go back up. If this was really bearish, it would have tapped that in that fair value gap and gone.
Yeah.
So it's acting like it doesn't exist. It's totally ignoring the bearish PE areas.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's wicking in, and that's dangerous, but it's not getting the OCE of that. But it doesn't look like we're going to get the inverse.
No, we're not. I am. What's the S doing? The same thing. It's like ES might get the hourly the hourly inverse mark. Yeah. Yeah, GPal, I'm kind of thinking the same thing. Like, just
what are you thinking?
Accumulation phase of a possible.
And our YouTube guests see what the is being written in our Discord?
Nope.
So. Maybe if we see a comment there, we have to tell them, like, when we answer what it is, just so they know what we're talking about.
Yep. So far, those
consolidating. We have a range.
Oh,
up
yeah.
there. That's all it is.
Yep.
It's a range, and we got to wait till it resolves.
Body's respecting 50% here on the 1 minute.
This is not is the range. The range is like what I want to see is this 1 hour inverse.
Yep.
We're running out of time.
Yeah, but
I want to see at least a close above the CE of a 1 hour.
yeah, because ES is going to, but ES also tapped into. Let's see, we gotta watch 50% of ES too. It's a little bit closer to it. It's not. It's about 9 points away from it. So I mean, remember, we can treat 50% just like SMTs. So.
See how it's respecting the CE of that 1 minute?
Yep. I was just about to draw that mark. Yeah, it's respecting that.
Oh yeah.
It's also about 50% too. Yeah. Gunnar, Top Step is running discount codes. 5 express funded accounts.
No, guys, it's Friday afternoon, and Friday afternoon the market can sometimes just not deliver.
Yeah.
So be ready for that. It could just be in a range for the rest of the day. After such a big move.
Coming back down for this 15 busy.
Yeah, I don't like that we didn't inverse the 1.
Yeah.
Still could do it at 3.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the 1 hour is not.
There's an order block down there at 314 I might want to tap too.
Yep. Yeah, Neofred, that's something we threw out there too. Is TJF is a possibility as well. Yep, for sure.
I mean, I think I don't like to see. I don't often see TGIFs after 11 a.m. on a Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Usually by 11 a.m. we'll get them, so I'm not sold on that.
Got it. Yeah.
But it's possible. But I mean, I don't know. This could already have been TGIF. This little move up. I don't know what percent of the day that weekly range it is, but.
I just measured it a little bit ago, actually. I think. Yep. Yeah, they had that too. Yep, I agree. Let's see.
Yeah, we closed above the CE, but not inversing it.
Yeah.
So it's not. It's a little tricky.
So 20% up mark is 393.
Okay, so we didn't get there.
Not yet. No.
You have to inverse like I think that's what we were expecting both those SIBIs.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at the one and then the other. You have a 1 hour order block you might want to tap. Like that.
Yeah, we did get that all the way down.
Come all the way down into that.
All right, we're into 15 now, Mark. The first 15. Still have 1 below, which would give us a discount. So, but you really don't want to come down there and be getting a 15-minute OB. So it'd be if you did come down there, you would want to see a wick, and then. But
yeah,
so far, we're not making any FEGs down. So. Neofred, TGIF just simply entails that whenever we have like an expansion week on the weekly, we can expect like a 20 to 30% retracement at some point from the high or low of the week.
Simplified, it's basically what we see as a wick on the candle.
Yep.
So you look at the weekly candle, and unless it's a flat bottom, you'll see a wick, and the wick is 25 to 30% coming back from the extreme of the range.
Yep. Oh, is it? Oh, that's right. It did end today, didn't it, Amy? Yeah, that's a good point. The apex, I think. I'm not sure. I think it was good until the 31st. Well. Yeah, that's the right code, Hildoggo. If you want to try it, let us know if it works. It worked for me this morning, so.
Oh, if you look at the 4 hour, it's looking pretty bearish.
Oh yeah, I mean it's just another.
I mean, there's a low out there. Did we get to the? Didn't even make the midpoint of that wick.
No, we didn't.
I feel like we're going down.
Yeah.
YM is just punching up.
Oh, that's the thing. Those two look pretty bullish, and yes, did inverse. What's that? A 4-hour look. Let's see. Yes, did not make a 4-hour a 4-hour OB mark.
Oh, okay.
For what it means, I guess. NQ did. But. Let's see. Where are we on the daily?
Small 4-hour SIBI. Yeah. It's an order block too.
Yeah.
It's ugly. It's just a consolidation. You know, right now we're just in a range. There's nothing really going on.
Range bound until we break one way or the other, for sure.
You have the 50% marked for the whole swing.
No, I just mentally know it's at 304, but I'll keep it marked here.
It's 304. Okay.
Said just below CE of that lower 15. Yeah, Neo, it wasn't a great day for the Dave zones. I agree. Especially when you get big moves like that.
Dave zones are for ranging markets.
Yeah, I was gonna say ranging. Yeah.
Terrible.
And when you get big moves, forget it.
Can't. You gotta use ICT.
Yep.
We could just range here until 3 o'clock.
Oh yeah, we could.
It's like I think I could see it forming a BC on the 1 hour and then going.
So we're gonna tap this lower 15 mark.
Possibly.
Yeah, we inverse the one down. You're right. You're right.
We're in the 30 now.
Yep.
The big 30.
Yeah, 30's combined with this 15 and this 15. I would imagine. Yeah.
I think we're at take the lows again, really, or at least get to the order block.
The hourly order block, yeah.
At 3:13.
Well, yeah, I mean that kind of lines up with equilibrium as well. You're not wrong, Hildoggo. This could be your silver bullshit.
Silver bullet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which inverse do we inverse down? The 1 minute?
Yeah, the 1 minute.
There's a lot of low resistance liquidity on the way down. Well, like if you look at the 1 minute candles, there's not much structure to them. They're just wicking up and going and wicking up.
Another 5 minute OB to the downside. Yeah, OB, prop block. Have they, Jared? Okay. Come back up into this 5, this ugly OB.
Yeah. It's just gambling trying to trade this round.
Yeah. Just stuck.
We do have SMT though on those. Yeah, with the S on those highs on the 5 minute.
We do. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I missed that.
Yeah. Yes. Took. This is where patience comes in.
It's painful.
Yep.
At least to like 304.
Yeah. We get an
And if you guys
inverse
have
or no VA.
questions, I'm seeing questions in the YouTube chat, Leppyrd.
Yep. Yep.
So feel free to ask away.
Yep.
And I've been studying ICT for almost 5 years. I was a private charter member for a while, so
Yep.
no one's an expert in it but ICT, but at least I think I know my fair share to try and help people out.
Nah, you know a little bit.
A little bit. People who know, everyone always has people who know more than them.
Yep. You know enough. That's all that matters.
Like
right?
I'm no ICT guru, but I feel pretty confident in
Yeah.
in a lot of the strategies that I've been trading for years.
Yep. Yeah.
We did go on the lower 15. You see that?
We did, yeah. Yeah, we definitely tagged it.
But I feel like that SMT with ES should send us down a little more.
Code still works, Gunnar. That's good news. You too, if you guys don't know that, still works. The top step code.
Works?
The top step code for the 50K.
You only get 5 of them.
Yeah, yeah.
So what I find with these kind of conditions is we'll chop and we'll keep going in the opposite direction and slamming it with wicks, and then finally it'll move. Yeah. And if you got to really be confident what you're doing to get in, because if you try and chase the move, it'll reverse on you the second you jump in.
Yeah.
So I see it like from what I'm looking at, in my perspective, I see we have an SMT, which is, I don't know if you guys are all ICT versed, which is ES made a higher high and we didn't on the 5 minute. So I feel like that'll send it down a little bit. Usually it's like 50% or an order block, but it's not going to move nicely this time until we get out of this range. We're kind of stuck in the 15 minute.
We left equal highs up here at 32.50.
Yeah, that too. But we can always come back and get them. I'd like to see us get down. Are those they're not equal lows down at 301.50, are they?
Close.
They look like it.
They look like it, but they're not. Yeah. Got swept, but
inverse that 1 minute again. This time with a little bit of mini displacement. Question is, how far down will we go?
Hopefully 50%.
Which is the 304, right?
304.25.
It's still going to do some stop runs up, and it's not going to be a nice clean move like we had a warning.
Yeah.
And you can scalp the hell out of this. You just get in and out with very high leverage if you really know what you're doing. For long extended moves, it's kind of tricky. I would like to see it come down and take some of this low resistance liquidity. Like the trend line, so to speak. Right now, it doesn't look like it wants to go down.
It's the thing, like we're not getting that strong displacement down. Yeah, it's like grinding down slow, but that's like usually when we end up just popping back up, because you see we're just kind of building LR here.
What I don't like is the SMT.
Yeah.
That makes me not trust this move up. Plus, we ripped right through the 5 minute order block that was created above.
Everything is.
You break a bullish PD array. That's very strong bearish. It should act as resistance, but we'll see.
Just YM still pushing highs, and so is ES. Like
this could just be a stop run. This could be a sweep on those candles.
Like you want to see those like coming down as well to like be confident in shorts here, and we're not getting that with ES and OYM. Yeah. We took those equal highs, 32.
That could just be a nasty stop run. Now it'll go down more. That's the problem with these ranging conditions. They're awful.
Left the volume imbalance here on the 1.
Okay, so we closed up above there. Like now we got to rip through it all.
Yep.
If you want to be a bear. Don't like this at all now. Look at this.
Like it if you're bullish. We're respecting the 15s. We did inverse that higher 5 down, but that 5 is, so much it's in premium. So
yeah, but it's tough. Like this is like, this is what ranging, like, you're just gonna have a trend line and you gotta wait till it breaks.
Yeah.
Because now, you know what? Everyone's gonna jump on the long and they're gonna get screwed.
Yeah. No, ES is 5 points away from equilibrium. Oops, wrong thing. Of the entire move. So we'll So we gotta be careful when that hits too.
And even look at the 15-minute, you can see the manipulation. It's like those wicks.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Reggie, it's moving. Looks like YM's going for for at least probably this high. It's well above 50 here, pushing through. Yes, tapping into this 15 again. Yeah.
Here comes the squeeze now.
Yep. Might just be building an order block here, Mark. Did leave two VIs below, so
I think this is a fake move.
you think we're bearish still?
Yeah, I do. Very.
Appreciate the kind words, Arash, on YouTube.
Look at that.
Looks heavy, yeah.
See what I mean? Like, this is just, you shouldn't be trading this. Like, in my opinion, like,
oh
I'm
no,
not taking it
yeah.
Until you get a clear break one way or the other. It's going to do this to you.
You know what we did? We hit that 5-minute rejection block again.
You didn't even make it to the trend line though.
Yeah.
It was that nasty.
Here we go.
This is a count killer. These are count killer conditions, and we're probably not going to have anything till 3, I'm guessing.
Yep. No, we filled both VIs that would be left here.
May not be a NASDAQ day. Like, YM looks very clean.
We should be trading YM in AES, yeah.
But yes, I won't trade it.
I know you won't trade it.
Yes, it's like, I've never made money in that industry.
Mark, we have a head and shoulders. Look at that.
That come to 50%, I think it would be on.
You said 50%.
There's people who just love trading this crap. Like,
yeah.
They love this. They know exactly what to do. And they get torn to shreds in like a trend.
Yep.
I'll be honest, my strength is trends.
Mm-hmm.
I'm an awful range trader.
Let's see. Yeah, I agree, Ali Dad, for sure. Yes, going
Look at
back
that wick
to
on the previous 5-minute candle. I mean, that's like,
yeah, it's right off the yeah,
idiots in. You know? Right now, when we're at 50% of that wick, and now it's going back down.
Yeah. This could turn into a 1-minute prop. Goes back above here. Or no, it's so hard to think bearish when you see ES and YM just moving. You know, like they're still pushing up to the highs. ES 4 points away from 50% back up now of the entire move. I think if we got
to create a fair value gap for 3 o'clock, and until that, you're just got chopped. That's my call. Everyone can get excited and trade it, but I'm gonna observe unless we.
Oh, that's smart. Yeah, I mean,
interesting. It's all time based. Just going to wait for 3 o'clock. I just got that feeling. can see how the 2 o'clock candle's behaving inside of that SIBI. Keeps like going back to the open, back to the open, the open, down to the open. Just waiting.
Definitely a lot messier than ES.
Made a like massive move down.
Yeah.
427 points.
It's huge. And right off four standard deviations of Asia. So I mean, yeah, you expect some kind of bigger retracement. But
like the biggest candles I find are at like 550, 450. Sorry.
You mean 4.5?
512 is the biggest
oh,
daily candle I can find on the daily. On the near.
Oh, you're talking the range. Okay, I got you.
Yeah, so like I want like so it could go a little more.
Yeah.
427, but like you're pushing it.
Yeah.
These candles will only go so far in a day. That's when you always that's the first thing to check when you're looking at any type of reversal situation. And we hit bang on like where was our low? 241.25 and the Asian range was 242.50. 4 deviations. So we're going up. It's just accumulating.
It's exactly what it is. I mean, look at ES.
I got a feeling it's waiting for 3 o'clock to do that because it wants the bond market out of the
down
picture,
here.
so move
accumulate
more.
Up.
Or it might just chop into the end of the day because it's done its move.
Definitely a lot messier than ES. But
454 is equilibrium, so it might just want to get up to there.
Crazy. YM's green today, and Key's down 1%. So Florida won last night, Mark.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
One goal game.
Yeah.
We got the 5-minute order block, but I wouldn't even trust it.
I wouldn't. Yeah.
It's just in a range. It's not just all it is a channel. It's a channel going down.
Yeah, G-Pow. Just tap the wick of it though. Tap the wick of that 5-minute OB.
The channel's broke. Not much you can do.
No.
Yeah, I guess tap the wick of it, but it's inside the 15-minute. But unless I get a 15-minute bullish order block, I'm not. Even then.
Looks like we're putting a little LR here, Mark, to the upside too.
Yeah, Mac, the bond market does close at 3 p.m.
Yep.
That's why you get a lot of moves at 3 p.m. because a lot of times the bond market can weigh down the indices and the stocks.
That's why you get a lot of stop runs then.
Well, yeah, I mean, because then the bond markets, they're all interconnected. People are moving money between risk off, risk on. It can mess things up. But once the bond market's closed, then it takes like kind of the equity market can move independently.
Yeah, Wick, I completely agree. NVIDIA's weighing a lot on NQ. 4-hour order block there with the 4-hour SIBI rejection. It's still holding the gap, but yeah, it's definitely weighing down NQ right now.
I like these channels. Like if we can break them and move up with displacement, you can very fast.
Absolutely.
As long as you can identify what the consolidation is, then you can wait for it to end and then get in and stay out when it's doing its thing. Because if you try and trade based on ICT concepts inside the consolidation, and when I say concepts, I mean beyond high, low, and equilibrium, you're going to get chopped into little bits. So.
Marshall, the options and measuring class are both this weekend in the Discord. So I'm not sure what time for Mark yet. I don't think we've came up with the time.
I'm still working it out, but I'm going to do a class on measurement.
It will be this weekend. Yeah.
Like and out of options can speak for me this morning that I told him was a good Asian range before the session even opened. It's been bang on. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can. He knows it's not hindsight if he's there. I don't see the options in here today, but
uh,
hopefully he didn't get too chewed up. Oh, there
he
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 is.
is. He's in here. Yeah. Yep. It was. I mean.
So the YouTubers out of options is one of our members who does a
Mhm.
lot of alerts and stuff too. He's an expert in options and done 30-second models.
Yeah. A rush. It'll absolutely be recorded. Well, we'll not do a class like that and not record it. So.
It'll be recorded and available to all premium members after.
Yep.
If you share it, I'll kill you though. Because that's in years of knowledge that I'm putting into that.
Yeah.
And back testing and struggles and ICT and everything else. So
Marshall.
one of our members in the Discord is doing his memes again.
His memes again.
So just the YouTubers that we're laughing at.
Oh yeah.
And welcome, guys. We're glad you could join us today.
Mm-hmm. Put up a little LR here to the upside. A little bit.
And anyone in the Discord, if you want to speak, we're happy to let you speak. And you have anything to add?
Amy wants to speak.
I don't think Amy's even here.
She is.
Oh, she is?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, yeah, she's here. Is D here?
Yep.
Okay, good stuff.
Away. Mark Alidad on YouTube said, "They all love you. You speak the truth."
Glad. I try. It can piss a lot of people off, but I'll say it how it is.
Yep.
Yeah, I hope you get better. That's awful. Rest over the weekend.
Yeah. Edgar, yeah, we are me, Mark, Reliable, Wizard. Yeah, we have our own Discord now. Appreciate it. Yeah. Yep. We're just stuck, Mark. We're stuck.
Yeah, I mean, we're waiting for 3. See, let me look at the 30-minute and see what it tells us. You can see in the wicks, it's just in a waiting pattern.
Yeah. You know, Mark, another thing is we're not going to get that. I forgot to mention this earlier. We're not going to get that monthly OB.
I mean, there's still an hour and a half. Anything can happen.
You think we're going to go up, way up there?
It's highly unlikely.
Yeah. It's possible, but I mean,
where is it? It's
601.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's a big move.
It could just be in a monthly range too.
This was something me and Mark were talking about.
It's healthy. I mean, there's a lot of things that I wanted to get down to, like.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean,
the high from like 2021, and we created a fair value gap around it and never went down and tagged it around 18,000, 17,950. So for a healthy market, we got to get down there. We got to do a full proper equilibrium retracement.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Leppyrd. Sorry, I cut you.
I was just saying, me and you were we've been talking about this monthly potential order block for the last week or so, waiting on today to see how we closed. And you see a final day, we finally got back below, and I don't think we're going to put that bullish order block in here, so it might be a sign. But I mean, it makes sense though. I mean, we had when we started off this week, we were up here and we had the potential to have, if this was a FEG, we had a potential of 4 FEGs on the weekly below us, and it makes sense to come back and rebalance this on market a little bit. You got
Yeah, it sucks trading all the way in all-time highs. It's much better
yeah,
to price action
yeah.
get away from them.
Yeah, because if you look at it, I mean, look at all the nice targets we have now. Whenever we decide to go back up, I mean, if we look left, there's so many equal highs that are going to be nice to target. So
Leopard, I'm just getting a slow grind down feeling here.
that's what it looks like.
The fact that we're respecting all these bearish PE arrays, like if you had gotten in up above.
Yeah.
We looked at the 3-minute. Don't use the 3-minute off. I only look at so many time frames. I like the 1, 5, and 15.
5,
but
yeah.
3 shows a lot.
Let's see. Let's see.
Still an 8-hour that's holding. Well,
let's see.
Scanning through all the right time frames. What's that? Sorry, Leopard.
Oh, I was going to talk to Edgar in YouTube. If you look if you just click on the link below, it's in the profile here for the link to the Discord, or it's on my Twitter on the main page as well. Just Leppyrd Trading.
Okay, if we get that big 15-minute honking thing, I'm not going to be very bullish.
Bullish, yeah.
Looks like we are going to get it. 15-minute order block.
We are going to get it. Yeah, closing below here.
And we're going low. We're going real fast.
Let's see.
We are inside of a busy and everything, but like,
yeah,
I don't want to see it.
Oh, we still got, we still have equilibrium down here at 304. So, yep. Not equalos.
Be good, a good little short here, just because of the equilibrium, like in the order block. But it's gonna dig as like it always does. But we also inverse that busy up top.
Above, yeah.
I don't like that consolidation on the 1 minute. See, you got conflict of time frames here.
Oh yeah, you do for sure. I mean, yes, it's still holding up.
But I think we went up. We retested that civvy or busy, and now it's rejecting. Hopefully, and going down.
Yeah.
Just got to be patient because it's not gonna go in a straight line. It's gonna chop, chop, chop.
Top, yeah. Sure looks like we want 304.
Yeah, but it's not gonna straight line to it, unfortunately. We're getting close to the order block at 314. Just note that.
Mancho, yeah, I noticed the 30-second was doing good today too. I looked at a couple of it today. I think I took one trade with it today actually, and on an eval and
you gotta pick a side here, Leppyrd.
For I think we're going to 50% here, 304, at least at minimum here. You pick a side, Mark.
I'm just saying, like, not you particular.
But I know.
Like,
You're talking.
You gotta pick a side and go with it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's giving you signals on both ends.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna go down. I really do.
Mm-hmm.
Like I just see the pattern at the top. It looks like a topping pattern, not a continuation pattern.
Yeah.
Sorry, not a continuation pattern. And then we just rejected very hardly off that order block. But there's a 5-minute CB above, which I might come and run those stops. So there's so many things I can do here.
Yeah, I mean, next week is news heavy, and then Mark, I don't know if you've seen June 12th is
the hour order block.
Oh,
sorry, say it.
No. Oh, we just tapped it. You're talking here this way. I was gonna say,
wow.
Yeah, next week is news heavy, and then June 12th, CPI and FOMC are on the same day.
I love Mondays of FOMC. They're like awesome.
Or not next Monday, but like next June 12th.
The FOMC's on Friday, right? Next Friday.
No, yeah, no. June
Not the
12th.
first week.
No.
FOMC. It's always the first week.
NFP next week.
That's what I mean. Sorry, I know
Yeah,
NFP.
NFP next week. Yeah, it's next
I
Friday.
love Mondays of NFP. They're
Yeah.
really good. That's where you get some great setups. Just know that, guys.
Another 5 minute OB mark. This kind of reminds me of yesterday, right? We were like kind of like what's going on here. But then if you zoomed
It's
out
just
to the
grinding
5 minute
down the whole
chart,
day.
yeah, you zoom out to the 5 minute chart and you just see order block, prop block, order block, order block here. Like it's just yeah.
Here we're reacting off the hourly order block, but I don't think that's an order block. I think we're going to go right through it. I really do.
Yep.
I can kind of, I'm getting those feelings. And that equilibrium is below the hourly CB. I feel like that we're going to send it down one more time.
Yeah,
There's going to be maybe an SMT on the lows before we go back up. That's my gut.
I get a 3 o'clock. Let's see.
I don't think we're even going to trade up into that 5 minute CB above.
Yeah,
but that's possible.
Be your breakaway. Yeah.
Seems to be rebalancing everything on the way down.
It is.
So, and the bodies on the 1 minute are really respecting that 1 hour order block. So, again, you got to watch all these little details.
Yep.
You know, the safest thing is always just trade if the trend and goes and be short, because 9 out of 10 times you're going to win that way. Much more than you're going to win trying to like counter trend. If you do get the short, it's going to make it a lot easier on you.
Yep.
And we had the 130 Judas up.
We did.
This is the distribution is going down. I really think so.
Yeah. It says it hasn't even rebalanced the 15 or anything on the way up from the way up yet. So let's see.
We have massive SMT with YM. But I feel like YM is so different. I don't know if I'd even want to use it as an SMT indicator.
Oh, hell, doggone his trend lines.
We have a very, very good trend line trader.
Yep.
And that stuff is foreign to me. I've always got killed on them. But if you know how to trade them, trend line traders kill it.
Yep.
I think they get a lot of heat, but they really know what they're doing.
Yeah.
So the high of this down candle is 326.75, roughly. No, 327.
Yep.
I want to see that little SIBI hold.
5 minute, yeah. If we even get up to it. And it's combined with that OB as well.
The way we're trading, I wouldn't be like, we're also creating a 15 above.
Yep. Logan Gruber, what up, dude?
Oh, Logan, is that Deep Grab?
He's here? Yeah.
I love your tweets, Logan.
Yeah,
they're awesome. Welcome. You guys should follow Logan on Twitter. He's got a really good feed. I think this might be a sell here. This little 5 minute inside of the order block. We still haven't reached equilibrium on the way up. Flattered that deep grab came to our stream.
Yeah.
He was his stuff.
He was in my fantasy football league last year, actually.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Me and him post a lot of the same stuff. Like we have like a lot of the same. We were both calling the weekly FEG last week, and I was like, I was thinking of that Spider-Man meme where they're both pointing at each other. I was like, wait a minute here.
We inverse this 5 minute Leppyrd.
Man, I really want 304.
Yeah, me too. I don't trust it.
I would. I'm much happier taking longs off 304. Yeah.
Consolidation rebalances very aggressively.
We're just building we're building so much LR here. Yeah.
So that would have been an interesting short, taking that 5 minute down. Especially because it's still not done.
Yep.
It's gonna make you sweat.
Yeah.
I don't like the momentum at all. It's so manipulated.
Yep.
It's tough trading, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's like very tricky. I mean, this could be all driven by the order block, the 1 hour that we banged into.
Yeah, we tapped it.
We
You
did
see,
not get to, we did not get to equilibrium.
no, we did
So
not.
that's
That's the one thing that's. But ES is pushing back up here.
yeah, it
So
keeps going in and rejecting and going in and rejecting, like it's trying to like entice you to go
I
long.
see, yeah.
That's what happens when you trade these ranges versus the nice trend.
Yeah. Let me see here.
Takes patience and like confidence in your bias. Like if you think it's gonna really do everything it can to shake you out.
Okay.
I don't see. Do you see any equal lows down there, Leppyrd? Like
I don't
down?
know. No. Let's see here.
Keeps pushing up.
Let's see.
Also be punching up for the trend line.
10-9, yeah.
Fortunately. We didn't get into the body of that order block. You're right, El Doggo. I mean, I got used to lose so much money on trend lines. I kind of put that in my past from the trauma. But,
Yeah.
no, they do some significance if you can blend them in, and especially when they break. It's an order block. Leppyrd, if we inverse this 5 minute, you'd look at that as long. Didn't.
We did not.
We did create it.
Yeah.
We did validate the order block.
The LRLR just looking so clean, Mark, to the upside now. And combined with ES and a YM, it just.
We didn't hit equilibrium.
I wish we did. Yeah, for sure.
If we did, I would be more.
Yeah.
But if you look up on the way down, we've been closing above down candles constantly, and then basically running them. We've done it 3 times already.
Yep.
Maybe the 3rd time's a winner. I guess we're gonna get some mohawking, as ICT calls it here. Look at that.
Yep. Let's push. 15's gonna hold this.
Now watch. All the longs are gonna jump on, and then it's just gonna slam right down.
Nah, ES too bullish here, Mark.
That's crazy. I'll admit I was in the short there and got burned. This order block's the first one that actually held. That's what happens when you don't listen to your own advice.
Yes. Still pushing.
Nice reaction off the hourly order block.
Hourly order block, 15.
Look at that wick. Here we go again.
Yep. Yes. Logan, what up? You want? I'll let you speak.
What's up?
What up, dude?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. I'm not trading right now.
No.
I'm just observing.
Yeah.
I tried getting the long up to 405 earlier. I got 50 points out of it and I stopped out. And I was trying to trail.
Oh, those equal highs up there? Yeah.
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 Oh, I'm still on your YouTube. It's like it's lagging.
Oh, it's yeah.
I had a pretty good long off of like 304. and we inverse the 15.
Oh, your entry. Oh, the 15 inverse. Yeah.
We inversed the 15, then we tapped into the 1 minute, and that's where I entered.
Gotcha. Nice.
I just can't short with ES and it's weekly.
Yeah, it's ES is just moving. At least till it hits 50, but I wish we hit 304, but can't always get your wish, I
You
guess.
know, well, it's end of day Friday too.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, that too.
I almost logged back in and took that long.
Watch the 15-minute order block here potentially. If we close above that, I would be much more. Oh, look at that.
Yep.
There we go. That's what I want to see.
Yep. Expansion. Yep. ES is hitting ES going for 50% here.
Just careful because there's so much manipulation. You could just shoot.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good though.
ES tapping the 50 of the day. So.
Yep. Very, very close. It's about a point away. So be careful.
Very find out.
If anybody's long here. But yeah. LRLR is finally getting ran.
I was in the long earlier today, trying to get 405, and it literally got like a point away from my PT.
Oh, up here, yeah, that failure right there. I was watching
painful.
that.
Looks like this thing might just run.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's even gonna let anyone get in.
Are you guys in anything right now?
Nope.
Not much of an entry unless you just entered on the 15.
Yeah. I won't enter there unless we hit 304.
Yeah.
It's okay. Sometimes it just goes without you. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. Nice D.
I mean, I was in a short. I tried to get a short there and just it wasn't working. So got out of it. Minimal loss and all this.
Yeah, ES hit 50 here. So.
Are you guys looking up at 5298 on ES? I thought we were gonna get that this morning. It's like a bunch of 15-minute equal highs right into like the 4 hour.
Yo, what'd it do?
Reliable, what up?
Who caught that long?
Did you?
You did?
So who caught it?
Like 1 minute? Oh, no one.
Yeah, the 1 minute. That was nice. We had so much LR up.
Yeah.
It kept going down and running order blocks and everything, so it made it difficult to you know, and it was above equilibrium. So from my perspective, I found it difficult to get in.
Good.
Oh, I thought we hit 50.
No, it was 304.
I measured on the 5 from 1250 up to the highs, and to me it looked like we hit 50, so I was looking long. The
Sometimes these
LR
are
looked
my
way
best
too clean.
plays.
Hey, I'm just saying, I'm green on the day now.
Nice.
Oh, good.
Day 24 of green.
It's a nice recovery for you.
Yeah, I know. 2 losses, two 25-point losses is pretty brutal.
Oof. Yeah.
But I mean, like the sizing was like I lost like $600, so that one trade just made it all back.
Leppyrd, do you think we'll get a 50% on this impulse here?
On this 5-minute swing up, you mean?
Yeah.
Possible. We could come back down to this. Yeah.
Yo, Andrew, just out of curiosity, which rule did I break?
Oh, they're gonna fight.
Nah, I'm just curious to see what he thinks my rules are.
Oh.
You're right.
Oh,
You're
okay.
right. I did say 2 losses, and I was done. I usually break that up into the sessions. So like I'll take 2 losses in a session and then I'll come back. And depending on whether or not I find the session to be all right, I'll trade it. Like this afternoon PA has been pretty good so far. The only choppiness we've gotten is after 1:30, but I figured we'd get some form of reversal. But yeah, we can say I broke my rules. I'll go run 5 miles. I don't know. How you doing, Logan? I don't know if you've ever met, man. My name's Reliable or Sebastian.
Were you in Ryan's Discord at one point?
I've been in Ryan's Discord for like a year now.
Yeah, that's probably where I've seen you before.
Yeah.
The 2 loss thing, I try to do the same thing where like 2 losses usually just cut it, but kind of depends on like how the losses are for me. You know, like if they're just like if I'm taking like bad losses or just dumb losses, I usually just call it. But if they're like legit plays, you know, like I'm staying tight and everything, you know, I don't usually like to cut the whole day off.
Yeah, no, that was my case this morning. I had an A+ setup, and then like I had like a A- setup that I took,
Yeah.
and I'm not gonna not trade when we have this good
Yeah.
a price action. So I was just waiting for a retracement off of this long move that we had.
Yeah, we did hit the hourly
What do you
OB.
think of this 5-minute busy?
I like it. You mean
Yeah.
the one we're about to form?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest, if I was just looking at ES, I would short this probably. If I didn't
Feels
know
like
about the
steady
weekly.
equilibrium.
Yeah, and we're getting to the bottom of that. What is that, order block or whatever?
Yeah, that
Sure.
15 minutes seems to be holding price.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could see it taking another stab at the highs maybe before it goes down. Are those equal highs, Leppard? Pretty close.
They're
Relative.
relative equal. Yeah.
Very close, though.
That's a scary 15-minute OB. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we hit it again, huh? Yeah.
Like if I didn't know we were coming out of the weekly right now, I'd short this probably.
That's just because where we bounce on the weekly is right out the CE of that wick, and it's
Yeah.
it's very algorithmic, but
Logan, do you
That's what
trade
MP did
props?
last night. I'm like half and half right now.
Okay,
I'm trying to trade my personal more.
I feel that.
I think it's worth a try on this busy.
I think so. Yeah, the 5.
Got the trend line inversion too. Not
So,
so, a trend line trader, but
we
it lines up with the ICT concept. Plus, you got a
It
5-minute
works. Yeah.
yeah, and we still have
One
the
minute.
we got the 5 minute. We still have the equal
And
highs
you're
up at
gonna be at,
405.
and you're at 250, which is usually a pretty good time.
Yeah. Would you cut it if 3 o'clock comes and we're not delivering?
Yeah,
it?
if you're not, if we want to go up and inverse the hourly.
Yeah, if we get a 3 o'clock stop run.
Yeah.
What do you guys do this week? This week was pretty tough.
It was a tough week. I didn't even make profit until yesterday. I was break even
Yeah.
from Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yeah, I had a pretty good day Monday, so it kind of put me up, and then between like middle of the week, I was pretty much just coasting.
That's not easy.
I'm trading these 250Ks and I'm copy trading them, so I have like so much like drawdown to use.
Yeah, yeah,
And today at cross 5, I made 900 bucks each.
Yeah.
So,
nice.
Right, let's
Once
see
you
how
get those over the drawdown, those will be nasty.
Yeah.
yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna cash them out once I get to 65, but I mean I have a 3K buffer, so I'll just treat it like a
Yeah.
normal 50K until I get back to the 65.
I always say take your cash on the prop firms. You know, you never know what's gonna happen.
Yep.
Yeah,
If you
no,
have the
I always
payout,
do.
take it.
If you can get approved.
Especially with
Well, that's
Apex right now. Yeah.
You
I've
in this,
cycled
Mark?
through
I
over
am.
Okay.
It's not going.
Yeah.
It's digging.
Let's see.
Logan, I've cycled through over 80 PAs.
Might come down to equilibrium.
Yeah, 338 is equal.
I don't even want to
equilibrium.
see how many PAs I've had on Apex.
I kind of entered a little bit early
Ah,
at the top, but we'll see.
right.
There's a little volume imbalance in there that on the 1 minute I might want to tag. That's right at equilibrium. Here's equilibrium.
The only thing is, ES is not liking 50% here. I will say
No.
that.
I really like that ES short setup, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yo, I caught the top. That's kind of nuts.
I think it's gonna. Yeah, it's nasty. Could go all the way bottom of the range.
Yeah, it's.
If ES can hold up, it's gonna have an hourly BPR
Yeah.
though.
Well, yeah, ES is hitting its it's hitting a 15-minute OB here. Yeah, it will have an hourly BBR to the low.
As long as we don't dump here.
Yeah.
An 8 there.
Oh yeah, ES at 50, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
ES tap 50. It's the only.
I was watching that.
Mm-hmm.
And it's right at a breaker
Right.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that short setup was pretty nice.
Oh, there's a breaker
Yeah.
there, huh? Yeah. There's a 15-minute breaker sitting right here for the people that
The
don't
1
see.
hour too.
And this is the range. It could just take the
Yeah.
lows, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got a breaker here with a 50.
tough day to be a perma bull.
Yeah.
I know Amor had a rough day.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone that tried to long today got wrecked. I mean,
Mhm.
that 10 a.m. long was just brutal.
Oh yeah, I think everybody took that. I mean, that's like you said though. That's a loss that I am okay taking every single day of the week.
Yeah, I was fine with it.
Yep. I mean, it's 10 o'clock, 1 minute inverse with equal highs. I mean, what can you do? Like
I had my finger on the button just to mark it out too,
Mm.
and I just was like, "There's no reason it doesn't just take this. I'm just gonna let it go."
Take it like a
And
champ.
yeah, I always do that. I'm like, I should like, who cares about another point or two? It's
Yeah.
like $40. It's like,
Yeah.
but no, I'm like in my head, I'm like, there's no reason for it not to get it. And then it doesn't.
It's to save your psychology on the one time that it like just barely doesn't hit your stop.
Yeah,
And
I
you
mean,
mark it
yeah,
out beforehand.
Mhm.
I mean, yeah, it's what, an extra $20 for that 1 point. It's like,
Yeah.
it was a 30-point long.
I mean, that's lunch.
Like, I get that extra point. It's just pride, honestly.
Yep.
Looking heavy.
Yep.
5 minutes trying to hold.
Yep.
It's a little 1 minute down there. I want to tap.
Wait, no, I'm looking at the 3 minute. I just realized then Q didn't even take that first high up at 67.
No, it didn't.
Yep. Yeah, it didn't. No.
I got
Maybe
real
we
lucky with my fill.
We still could get 304.
We could imagine.
That's going to be the hourly BPR on
That'd be
ES
nice.
too.
We get a 3 o'clock stop run on 304. Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Still holding a 15-minute OB here.
You know what? I noticed that made me go long. If you look at 109, that 1 minute Bissy held price like 3 different times, and I was just like, all right, well, I guess that's the last fair value up in the leg. If we're holding that with the OBs there, we're probably gonna run this again. I don't know if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
guys saw that. I
Mark,
wasn't
once
on the
again,
stream.
they're just nasty.
Are you still holding this long, Mark?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Then I got a short.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
I mean,
Off the break even.
Mm.
It's impossible to trade this garbage.
Yeah. If we close back over these these 2 5-minute candles, I think we're going to 405.
Okay.
and we should get 67 at least.
Yeah.
Such a deep retracement.
I
Rafi's
like
long.
to do that right now.
Rafi's long?
Rafi's
We're
long.
in this rejecting this 3 minute BPR now.
Yeah, if we inverse the BPR, we should that I would
Oh,
long that at an eval.
oh Rafi, you took the 1 minute OB? Is that what what it looks like you took? Yeah, nice. I see that. Okay, yeah, you're 11 points of profit. I'd be at break even too. Let her run.
Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Go to 405.
Yeah.
Hey, so you had like 50 viewers in the YouTube stream.
Yeah. Yeah, quite a few.
Not bad.
Hmm.
Not bad at all.
Mhm.
How'd this morning go reliable? I wasn't able to make it.
Brutal.
Yeah.
0 for 2, but it is what it is. I think the losses we took were good enough losses, just based on where we were trading from. We tried to take 2 longs, and we were trading into just that whole entire down move from this morning. So took the 2 losses and then kind of just tape right after that.
Yeah.
Anybody get short this morning? I could not get an entry that I liked.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's.
I mean, hindsight looking
I kept
back,
on entering on the way
ES
down.
rejected.
It's like really
Yeah,
respected.
yeah. I mean, looking back, ES rejected its hourly BPR, but
Yeah.
we already tapped into it, so I didn't think we were going to reject like that.
There's actually a whole lot of hindsight this morning if you just look at the hourly on NQ.
Yeah, I know.
Tapped the OBs there, and then we inverse that hourly Bissy, and
Yep.
then yeah,
Yeah.
just
Yeah, the
wreck
second
the
we
OB.
inversed the hourly at the order block, that was when I got in. I just
Yeah, that
got
was smart.
Yeah.
We were
in.
looking for 10 o'clock
Those
reversal.
FEGs
Yeah.
at the order blocks are key.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just on that 10 o'clock reversal.
I was just too bullish from the overnight. NQ
Yeah.
tapping into its weekly like that. I was like, all right, here we go.
Exactly.
And I was just
Ano-
waiting for a long that never came.
Another problem too that we probably should have identified this morning, and once again, all hindsight. So
Yeah.
this is just like a learning moment, I guess. But there's no reason for the market to retrace after we sweep a major sell side like we did overnight. So if the market's coming back, that probably means that we're just going to be like higher time frame bearish. Like if we're going to sweep a massive external low like we did, I mean, there's no reason for us to come back to resweep it.
That's true.
Yeah. Well, sometimes it does because the trading hours want to get their fill too, so they go down and do it to bring it back up.
Yeah,
It's true.
Because the overnight session does it in the Globex. I'm watching the 1 hour. Like this next 40 seconds is key.
Oh, that's right. We might
Doesn't
inverse it, huh? It's a new hour.
Doesn't look like it.
What do we need? We need
Impose.
4 points. It can do it, Mark. It can do it.
it could do it and inverse the 3
seconds?
minute at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Crucial 20
But
seconds.
yeah, like I
right?
find a lot of times what you'll see is that daytime hours likes to get their fill, and sometimes when those are run overnight, then the daytime hours want to run them too.
Yeah,
That quite often, unfortunately.
we
Looks like we're not
swept.
inverse.
We swept before Asia, or like right around Asia the first time, and then we reswept again at 6 a.m. and then we swept it obviously at 10.
No inverse.
No inverse.
Not that it matters, but it's not a very good session.
Yeah.
I think we're just trading in this hourly range. Like the FEG is the range.
Yeah, it's Friday. Last hour of
Yeah, I
Friday.
got a lot of stuff going on next week too. So NFP week, baby.
Yes, it is.
Best week of the month.
Liable. If we were to inverse this one down, would you consider that as a short?
Nah, because we're holding the 5 still.
Hmm.
You mean the 5 minute? Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah,
The 5 inverse.
the 5 busy.
Oh, right.
Yeah. And we haven't
Plus
put
the
in
5
OB yet.
Told us.
Yeah.
ES is just so much more clean right now.
It
I hate
is.
trading ES.
Same.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
so slow.
Yes, is my arch enemy. I can't stand it.
I've done it like twice in the last month just because it looks so clean, and I get into a position. I'm like, why am I doing this? This is horrible.
I have so much trauma from ES because that's what I started trading on.
Yeah, I think everyone does.
I can't go near it.
I love.
I got
when
lucky.
Talks crap about yes.
ES it bounced on this little 2-minute BPR type thing.
His deck's way better generally.
I switched from trading ES to NQ within like the first month of me trading futures, so I didn't really have that
You-
negative
you
of an
say-
experience
lucky.
with it.
You saved yourself a lot of pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That switch was when I got profitable. Like ES just wrecked me.
Yeah, pretty much same.
Yep.
I had like a rough couple weeks when I first started NQ, just kind of feeling it out. But
Yeah.
like this 2-minute on ES is so clean right now.
It's holding. Mm-hmm.
Like the inverse.
The 2-minute BPR.
Yeah.
Got 50 there,
Oh,
right?
on ES. On ES.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, yes.
Actually, and Q as well. 2-minute
NQ just
BPR.
inversed the 2. What about the 3? What do you think of that one? Reliable? Too high in the range?
It's getting
3
60,
up?
70.
Yeah, 3 up.
I mean, that was the one I was looking at originally to take,
Yeah.
but it just is tough because we're chopping around so much and the momentum has
Mhm.
kind of died down. But I do like that we held 50% there, the 1-minute swing with the bodies, so I still think
Usually
we're
3
bullish.
o'clock waits till 3:15 before it starts to move.
Yeah, I just don't like trading after 3 on a Friday.
On a Friday, totally.
Yeah.
What you'll see sometimes is if it has a goal in mind, it'll run like hell, like in
Yeah.
the last 10, 15 minutes.
That's why I don't like it.
Well, if you get in the mood, it's nice.
Yeah.
I mean, since 1:30, it's just been this big chop.
Yeah. That's why we wait for every time frame. We did leave equal highs up there. 357.
There's a little bissy down there below that never got tapped. That's 321.
Oh.
1 minute.
We just dug into that 5-minute OB, formed off of the 5-minute busy.
Kind of a dumb range.
Yep.
Those equal lows too?
They are equal.
All right, cool.
Yep.
I think whichever one gets taken first, you trade against.
Yeah.
You know,
You just
really
soup it.
bullish.
Yeah, that's what you do in a range, right? You just take a high, you take a low.
I'd rather it took the low first.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, it still may.
It might. It might.
Hey, it's not dollar cost averaging if you're averaging into the position up, right?
Yeah,
That's
you
just
can
Yeah,
do
scaling
yeah.
it.
If you're
Okay.
green, you're good.
Yeah, that's what I did. I realized I could have risked
How do they
more.
find that? Like, how do they catch you doing that? Like,
Mm.
how much work?
They look at all the orders are sequential, so they just look at
Yeah.
the orders back to back to back, and if they see multiple orders at the same time in
When
the
you're
same
losing.
direction when you're losing, that's how they know.
Yep.
It just feels like if you're doing that so much, you're not going to get a payout anyway. So like, I don't get why they're wasting so much time
Right.
looking through everyone's
Yeah.
orders.
Yeah. It's like, well, they denied me, and I had 20 straight green days. And it's like, that's not luck. That's not from
Yeah,
that's not
obviously
from
it's working.
DCAing. Like,
They may not
so-
get back to those lows.
It may not. We might just go.
It's looking like
Here it is.
Did we get to 3-minute yet? No, this is we haven't closed over.
Leppyrd, you're with Top Step too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Top Step, you just request a payout and you just like, you
Yep.
know you're getting it.
Yep.
Like you never have to
Yeah,
worry about
that's-
anything.
24 hours, it's there. If you have a problem,
Yeah.
the chat, their support takes care of you.
I mean, it's now that you can have 5 accounts with it, it's just like,
Yeah.
I don't
That's
know why
awesome.
you mess with it much else.
Mhm.
that's what I say. 100% agree.
Yep. Reliable's an apex truther though.
I just I
mean,
peddle
yeah.
essentially that they have worse customer service than Top Step, probably the worst in the industry, and
Their Discord
they pay
is
out
so
slow,
Awesome.
Yeah.
and that's about it.
I mean,
you guys
yeah.
get-
What are the pros for Apex then? Why do you,
think-
Value,
value?
20
Is it
accounts
value,
of
though?
value.
I mean,
Because Top Step
$19
150K is
we get-
$150 when you get a payout. They pay you back your eval fee.
$19 for a 250K and an $85
Yeah. I will say
lifetime
the
fee
250K is
Yeah.
worth it.
insane value.
Yeah.
Even the 50Ks that are when they're 90% off are really good value.
Yeah, but
because
what do you
have
pay
even
for
more
the
drawdown.
activation? You pay the 120
160.
bucks or yeah.
Yeah.
You could buy a Top Step 150K for that.
With the activation fee for the Top Step?
Yeah, you get paid back the eval fee once you get your first payout.
That's true.
So it
That's
ends
true.
up being 150.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Unless you're
Oh, another
planning
thing
on
is
just blowing
too,
it.
I
Yeah.
copy trade more than the Top Step accounts allow for. Like,
Yeah.
right now I have
Right, there's the highs.
15 PAs, so
Don't
Yeah.
just go.
Let's see if we close
They
over.
just go
Let's see if we close over this over these 5-minute candles here.
I mean, ES not rejecting this 50 right here.
Yeah.
I think it's just
It's very
tells you what you need to know.
it's very bully. Yeah.
It's gonna leave those equal lows.
Leave us this hourly BPR for next week, please.
Longing with those equal lows is dangerous.
I got distracted. I was gonna say about this 3-minute when it closed that it was 0.5 RR on the trade, so I wasn't gonna take it, but I thought it was pretty guaranteed it was gonna hit, just because we put in the OB below it.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade ever if it's 0.5 RR, even if it's like guaranteed. There's nothing in this market's guaranteed.
You know what you're doing, it's guaranteed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a joke.
It's guaranteed if it wins.
Right.
I would have thought 405 was guaranteed earlier this morning. So
Is a four? Do you want to try your luck again?
my redemption, I need to
Yeah.
just. I'm gonna take one micro just to feel it.
Top
I'm
Step does not have a
fine.
static account, Jared. No.
They don't have static now.
No.
What exactly is static?
Basically,
Sure.
basically you just have one set drawdown forever. So like I have a couple statics with Elite funded, and like they're 100K. So my drawdown is always 600 in $25. So if even if I run the account to like 107,000, I won't lose the account until I hit that 93,000 mark.
Oh, it doesn't even go to 0.
Yeah, it doesn't change to a 0 ever. It's always
Nice.
$600
like
below
below
0.
zero.
Yeah, but the problem is getting it started. So you just gotta be
Yeah.
careful off the rip to get it a profit, and then you're you're off. So
I mean, for a lot of those though, you could just put $1,000 in a personal account and you have more drawdown.
I've been loving my personal account. Yeah.
By the way, you cut out Troy.
Oh, I did. I said when did I cut out?
Just when you said you put something in your personal and then you cut
Oh,
out.
I just started a personal account. I've been loving trading it with no rules or anything.
Gotcha. We heard about half of that. But
Okay,
we get the
gotcha.
gist.
Just through context, I could figure out what you're saying.
Okay.
My first scale target for this long would be 388.25. That's the 1 hour civvy on NQ. Anyone's in from the 3 minute. Although this just kind of has the momentum where it'll probably just continue to go up. But
405 is.
Yep. 405 equal highs. All right,
we're not saving that BPR.
No, we just got to close over all these 5-minute candles. So let's. Yeah.
Nice displacement out of there.
Yeah. Very nice displacement. Let's see. Oh, so I see what you're talking about. Okay. Good call, Reliable. I forgot about the hourly above. I was so focused on 405. I forgot there's an hourly civvy below that. So
There's those equal highs that I think it's going to go for up at around
405.
405.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. For sure.
If it comes back down, it's not good.
Imagine we get 50 up at 455.
These triple equal highs on the 1 minute?
Double, but the third
Yeah,
one is
it's
just
very
kickoff.
close. There's like 4
Yeah.
relative equal highs on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there are equal highs though up at 442.5 that are inside of a VI.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I think the
it's
play
above
was
the LP
buying the
there.
hourly order block.
It was. It really was.
It's also 50%, I think, of the range up.
No,
It was almost, but
we
that's what
just
we were
missed
waiting
it.
for.
Yeah.
Look at that, not even
All
getting
right.
a tracement off it goes.
Here comes the hourly civvy. Yep. All right, there's the hourly civvy. Next target's 405.
It's a gift to chase to get into this. There's no entry.
This was foretold. If it's got somewhere it's got to go, it's gonna go quick, like you said.
For sure.
I didn't even give the inverse on the hourly. Like it's tough entry.
Yeah. I like that we held the 5 minute.
This end of day is going to be interesting. At close, I feel like.
We had a lot of movement today.
Yeah.
I love it. I was just on the wrong side of it for the first half of the day.
200-point move before open. 200 points back up.
Yep.
Wait, no, sorry, that was mistaken. So, let's see, 600. 100-point move before open, then 200 up, and then 450 down. Now we're back up another 150, so like almost 1,000 points of movement today.
It's a lot, yeah. Pretty good for a Friday.
900 points.
Yeah.
Options, I actually went green today too.
Yeah.
Shockingly.
Oh, and Q's going to hold the daily, it looks like, actually.
Might have a 5 minute Sibby here. A good one this time. I like that last shitty one that got ran.
And ES might go green.
It might.
That's crazy.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, where did ES open?
It didn't dump nearly as much as NQ did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 5 or 250?
Yep.
We could get a massive move up here. Like I
We
wouldn't
could.
be surprised.
This uncorrelation between NQ and ES has been really tough.
It is. Yeah, for sure.
Which
It's tough
stock
to get a
was
good
it?
bias on anything. Not I want to log back in. Free 15 points on NQ.
Yeah.
Oh, Meta was down a lot today.
And Microsoft and Amazon have kind of been getting hammered.
Yeah, Microsoft was dumping earlier.
Oh, Nvidia was down a lot today too.
Yeah, and Nvidia got pummeled.
Yeah, when Nvidia makes up 7% of NQ, that'll happen.
We're gonna get a 15-minute OB here. Empire Steve, which way is the beach? It's south. Probably be there this weekend.
That was a dad joke.
Oh no, Empire Steve just always asks where's the beach.
Speaking of dad joke,
Yep.
where is it?
Hmm?
Where's the dad joke?
Didn't have one today.
Oh, that's okay.
Empire Steve, we haven't gone anywhere.
Empire Steve is on YouTube.
Yeah, he said, "Sup, boys, miss y'all."
Yeah, come over, Empire Steve.
Yeah.
Come over from the dark side.
Calling that 15-minute OB from 10:45 was bang on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That was a holding price.
Troy, I got one for you.
What
What
up?
do you call a happy cowboy?
A happy cowboy?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Anyone in chat got any guesses? Call him a Jolly Rancher.
That's bad. That's bad.
Oh. No, it's chop again. No.
Yeah.
Not much of a retracement.
She just wants it.
It's not a bad place to be, Joseph. It's not a bad place. I don't mind the panhandle.
You know what I find I see a lot on the 1 minutes is you'll get above the down candle. It'll basically do a stop run above the wick and then slam down.
Yep.
Creating like these fake order blocks.
Yeah, I know that because I enter off the 1 minute a lot.
Yeah. Like if you have a 5 below, especially if you have a 5 below you, it'll just
Yeah, you gotta
fake
double
you.
check.
Yeah.
Because there's a 1 and 5 that are complementing in there.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. Around 377, 375.
Yeah, that's what I was looking.
Yeah. We leave equalize up here on the 5.
We did.
Yep.
If you're getting down to like 362 or so, would be pretty nice. I don't think it does it though.
Oh, down to that 5-minute OB and yeah.
Yeah, he's got
that'd
a
be
lot of
nice.
stuff down there.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'd be okay with chopping around for the next 13 minutes, putting in a 15-minute busy, and then getting a
Yeah.
long from that. Destroyed that OB.
This-
Might turn it into a 15-minute breaker.
I know, I'm about to play some video games.
Game.
Peace.
X Defiant is the
Take
new
care.
game I'm playing.
Oh, for real? I've heard about that. It's like
Dude,
a god.
it's like COD, but like if COD was good.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
Like they just fixed a lot of the stuff that's annoying about COD. It's pretty fun. And
They
it's
have gun
free.
game?
So. Do they have what?
Do they have gun game? Like the game? mode?
Not yet.
Ah.
They like
Ooh.
it's very limited game modes right now, but
If they put in that, I'll play it for sure.
Watch a 5-minute.
Yeah, I'm watching the five
These
minute
things
50.
can trade nicely at 3 o'clock.
GG's boys. Good luck.
Yeah.
See it.
Later,
Yeah.
Logan.
Take it
Thanks for
easy.
stopping by.
Thanks, Logan. Take care.
Oh, I like that a lot. If we get on into that 5, I think I'll take a 1 minute OB mark if we get it off
Yeah,
off
you
of it.
can't. Cause like I got.
I'm not waiting
flamed
for an
from that
inverse
one.
or anything. Like,
But I took the last one blindly and it slammed deep.
mm-hmm. Yeah.
I will say there's two things to note here. We did tap the hourly BPR for ES, and we also are hitting that 1
We
hour
did.
civvy on NQ.
That's true.
Oh, we did hit that
So-
BPR. Yeah.
Could reverse here, but we're kind of blasting through bullish PD arrays left and right. So
And I
I'm
started
not-
blasting.
Yep.
You know what, Leopard? If we get an immediate rebalance, it's kind of like tricky here.
We're going back up.
Yeah, look
This
at
is
that.
just
not giving us
it's just a little 1 minute accumulation before we reach higher here.
Oh, it's like that 1 minute Bissy's holding.
Yep.
I hate buying the 1 minutes in such premium.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It might just shoot up, take those highs, and then slam right back down. Yeah, look at that. There it goes. I don't want to buy this. Inside of a 5 minute too, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
Nice, Hidalgo. 10K day. Okay, okay.
Good, Hidalgo. Good. Morning was amazing. This afternoon's been
Yeah.
tougher.
Morning was great if you weren't trying too long.
Yeah.
Like I was trying
Just
to
look at
do.
the. They never really gave you a really long. No, it kept on breaking everything.
Yeah, but it kept giving those like. Well, I lost them at 10 a.m. How long?
You didn't even get the 3 o'clock stop run here. Nothing.
No.
Just pure like displacement up.
Equal highs are on their way.
Yeah, it was no way you get it. I don't know. Unless you chase, you're not getting in on that.
Yeah.
And that's the hardest part of trading.
Mm-hmm. It
Is when
is.
it doesn't let you get in. Just drives me crazy. Then by the time you decide to get in, it reverses.
Yeah.
It goes down to where you thought you were going to get in.
This is a funny screenshot.
I mean, you could see the accumulation in that 1 minute busy down there.
Yeah. Give us the equal
I'm out of
highs.
here.
Oh, you got out early?
I only had one micro runner,
They're gone.
but I'm green on
Boom.
whole $53.64.
Hell yeah. Nice.
Better than red, so that's it. I'm shutting top side down.
Nice little buy model. I think we're going up higher, Mark.
I wouldn't know where to get in. Like, it's so
yeah.
high now.
50% would be the next target, I think.
454.
Well, the next target I think would be the 15 Cibi at 421, and then 455.
Well, I think the low of day is 100% put in. So.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Mhm.
Oh, let's check the monthly. Oh wait, we need 600,
we,
right?
We need
That's what you said?
621.
All right, 200
yeah.
points. Let's go. 40 minutes. We got it.
Imagine.
Reliable. Just wait for 350. 350 can do
Yeah.
100 points in 10
Yeah.
minutes. Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
This was a nice move if you got in.
Mm-hmm.
And like, just the 3 o'clock displacement is 60 points.
Yeah.
Well, I get
Daniel, if I was long here, yeah, I would absolutely leave a runner just because I love longing to 50% so much. I would absolutely leave a runner for it for sure. Crypto,
What's
nice.
the 50% again? 5-4?
455. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice PA. A little slow at first, but I mean, like, ES and YM gave it away. Like, those were not giving up. Like, you just can't fade those. Like, when two of them are being that bullish, even if NQ's being that leggy, it's tough
Get
to
up to
fade.
485.
Yeah.
Which is the CE of that
Mm-hmm.
daily or
Yep.
weekly. I think we're gonna go like all the way to. I think it's gonna be a big move up.
Yep.
I really do. Just the question of how the hell you get in.
Yeah.
ES is coming up on the day open.
Yep. Right. I will be right back, guys.
Yeah. It's like it's not giving any chance to get in.
No, there was an entry. I mean, of 30 seconds.
Or
It was a
1
pretty
minute.
good one.
Very high premium for my liking.
Well, Leppyrd's got control, but 1 sec, I'll show the entry.
Winning versus 5. Inversed. That was inversed, so good entry there.
That's the entry I was referring to. I just dropped it in chat.
Yeah.
It became really high probability once we had those equal highs at 96.
Yeah, when do I get out on my eval long? Do I just try and pass the account?
I think so. Why would you stay longer if you're like? once
I'm
you
up
pass the
70 points right now.
Oh, well, there's a BISI up there at 442.
I hate holding because I'm gonna get wrecked like the drawdown on these 250Ks. It's crazy, and I'm in 25 minis.
You have inverse the 5, which is nice.
Well, then you're in 25 minis.
Yeah, over
Oh,
five accounts.
Oh, okay.
So 5 per. It's like
Leppyrd here?
he went AFK for a sec.
Okay. I mean, this really could hit 442 equal high at this point.
Yeah.
Yo.
Leppyrd, inverse the
Yo.
5 minute there.
We did, yeah. I can see it. We're going to 50 here, Mark.
Hopefully 55, yeah.
Yeah.
Give an entry here on 5.
I'm running into a drawdown problem, Troy.
A drawdown problem?
Yeah, I'm up like 75 points right now on this long on my eval. And
is that a problem?
I'm in 5 minis per.
Oh.
And I don't want to risk like a third of my drawdown here just because it comes back. So
oh, because you're on Apex. Yeah. No,
yeah,
that makes sense. Yeah.
That's the beauty of Top Step.
Yep.
Nice little sweep there of the candle.
Yep.
Interjection. Let's see if we can get through these green candles here on the left on the 1 minute.
Are you long here, Mark?
I am.
Okay.
I long the inverse of the 5 minute.
Okay.
So not a great entry.
All right. Let's see here. We'll mark it here.
I thought that was the one way I saw to participate. but
It,
it's
it,
not.
it really is. I mean,
And now it's like, of course, that it's done that. It's deciding to like come down.
yeah, with that attitude, positivity, Mark.
I don't like holding for a 30-minute either.
Yeah. I think 50's a draw.
So
What's that?
I said I think 50's a draw.
You might get a tough retracement at 30.
Yeah. Oh, you mean at 3:30? Yeah. That makes sense.
That's the challenge. Struggling
Um,
in this gap now.
what I'm watching is the New Day Open for ES, and we're kind of running into that first civvy that was created at 6 p.m. And we're also running into that higher 1 hour BPR, so
Alright.
I got out there at 425.
Yeah. Oh yeah, ES
I
is
just
in
don't
a
want to
higher
get back drawdown.
Man, yeah.
Up their break even now. I'm not going to play around with this.
Yeah.
Not
No,
the
that's
30
smart.
mark because it could slam down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Death.
Get a nice little retrace here. I can probably get into a play that'll pass the accounts.
Yep.
That would be nice. I could get that cute little Apex roll in the Discord that says 20 PAs.
Oh my god. Didn't you get booted from their Discord?
Yeah, I got another account. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
You just can't give it up, Kenny.
I only pull it up on my phone.
Yeah.
Because I'm IP banned, so.
I thought I got banned. I just got timed. I got timed out for a week.
Mm.
They every time I go to
For
the
a
Discord,
week?
I've got like a little countdown. It says when I can talk again.
A week?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
For asking, like, or for saying it was a good business decision by them, you got tied up for a week?
Yeah, it was
That's
smart.
insane.
Yeah, every time I go there, I've got this little notification.
Hear that.
Ugh. Let's see retracement there, Mark.
At 1 minute, 50%, exactly.
I think Mark, we're just gonna put in a 5-minute OB here.
Hope so.
That's what it looks like.
We had the
see.
5 slam down and
Yeah.
into the equilibrium of that inverse 5, and then now we just got to reinverse this 1.
Yeah, close over this 5-minute. We're going up to 455.
I like options point. We did just hit 50% of that 1 minute swing.
The way up.
Yeah. Just like from 317 and then the highs.
A nice reaction out of that busy, but
Dude, options probably
Yeah.
printed today. Like, just like indice options.
Yeah.
Imagine 0 days, like longs from 1 o'clock or whatever.
Oh yeah.
how are we going to get a massive move down?
We do have a 15 minutes busy below. You know, Mark, we never inverse the 15. That tiny 15.
Yeah, but we did. We closed above the order block.
Yeah.
Might go tap the breaker real quick on the 15.
Let's see here.
Cause yeah, we put in a good size breaker there.
One discount though.
Yeah.
Come all the way down. Like, hopefully not. Like, hopefully it'll respect this 5.
%of this 5-minute swing lines up perfectly with the OB down there and the 5-minute BISI.
Let's see. 5-minute OB coming in hot. I just jinxed it. I'm sorry.
Maybe. Yeah, now you said it. It went,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah. I messed up.
Oh, that's a lot of energy. Taking the 1 minute inverse here.
Oh, do we have one?
Yeah.
Oh, this tiny little guy?
Yeah.
Oof.
those equal highs on the 1 minute there, Leppard, at 442.
They are not. The one on the right has, well, it doesn't matter now, but okay, they still matter, Mark, but they are not equal. No.
He's not talking about those ones. He's talking about 442.5, and yes, they are.
Oh, 442. Okay, sorry. I thought you were talking about the most recent ones.
Leppyrd? I mean, reliable.
Yeah. He just wasn't listening.
No. Well,
He didn't have his
I
listening
seen
ears on.
these recent 2 1-minute ones. So yeah.
All right, he's got you.
Yeah. All right. Give us the 5-minute OP here, and we can take longs to 50% here, if we don't deliver.
We're actually going
let's
all the way
go.
up to 631 here.
Oh my gosh! Imagine.
631
Let's
has equal
go.
highs up there.
What do we
Let's
got?
go.
Another 20 points to
Boom. Boom shakalaka.
go.
Make those equal.
Dude, ES is gonna finish green on the
It
day,
is.
bro. What
Yeah.
is happening? Didn't Biden have a speech at 2?
He did. He talked. Yeah. We that's actually when we got the little pullback into the 15-minute. That's when Biden was speaking.
Biden did us a favor.
Yep. It's,
What was he talking about?
no
Middle
idea.
East.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if we're gonna get this. Come on.
Oh, we're gonna get it, Mark.
Oh, okay, now you said that.
I'm sorry.
Shouldn't have said that.
Yep. Yeah.
It's amazing. You have this beautiful move up, and then when it finally gives you the retracement, it chops.
Chops, yeah. 1 minute equal lows? Or no, we tapped into the 1 minute. Okay. Now we want to see us close over this 1 minute candle.
Banging into the
Be like a one
deviation down from the Asian range.
Mm.
Get to slice through this.
Let's see. No close over there. If we do close over, we get a 1 minute prop block though.
Push. Lift. A little. Don't do this. It's so annoying when it like stalls.
Yeah.
Good reaction from the breaker.
It is, yeah.
Just got a little bit longer to go. Get these equal highs out of the way at least.
Yep. You're talking about 442 equal highs? Okay.
Yeah.
Which also lines up with that 5 minute. Gotcha.
It's stuck at the VWAP.
The what?
The VWAP.
No, you didn't.
I have VWAP in my charts. The VWAP to me is a good confluence. Everyone laughs at it, but it's like it's a very
I'm just giving you a hard
it's
time.
a level
Mark.
that's used by all the
No,
fund managers.
I have complete respect for anybody that has a trading system that makes them profitable. I don't care what
Well,
they
the VWAP
use
isn't
to
a
get
system,
there.
but it's not just the confirmation.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move to break even. Comes down here, come down and do another run. I'm liking this at all. So I have 8 lots, so it's a lot of leverage. BPR too, that 1 minute.
It is. There you go.
Video stop running that.
Yep.
I'm sure. In here.
What?
I think I can hear.
No, just waiting.
No.
We do. Oh, yeah. We left equal highs now, Mark, up there?
Yep.
On the 1 minute.
Yeah.
There's equal highs.
Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Yeah.
What
We
happened,
could
Mark?
always hear you, Mark.
Wasn't working the
Yep.
microphone. Let's do it again.
Eugene, yeah, we caught a couple longs here in this move up. Currently in longs right now off the off this 5 minute inverse right here. Close above, got the retest. So we're looking for the relative equal highs. They're sitting at 442 and then 50% up of the entire leg down at up to 455.
All right, you got your 5 minute order block.
Yep. There it is.
Just a little stally, but should get up there.
Oh boy.
Come on,
All
give us
right,
42.
I'm out.
Give us 42. There it is.
All right.
Bang.
Equal highs gone.
Keep your runners.
Yep. 455 is the next target.
Ooh.
Let's go.
You get there?
Oh,
Yeah, it's probably because all the construction equipment or something.
yeah. Is- mm. Yep. Equal highs. Give us 55. Could come all the way back up to the breaker. That's the hourly.
Options, is that 250k?
No, those are 50K.
Oh, so why are you saying still no luck?
Well, sorry, no luck with 250K.
Oh, okay. I was like, you passed.
I just can't get those accounts figured out for the life of me.
Yeah.
There's 50. Bang. Let's go. Marky, are you fully out there?
Yeah, I'm out. I'm done.
Yep. Let's go.
Hello?
Boy.
Yo.
W.
You can hear. All right, I'm done. It's probably gonna, I got a feeling we're gonna validate that monthly order block.
Yeah.
This is like
You think so?
crazy momentum.
You think we're going up 160 points in 20 minutes?
It's at 3 o'clock. It's possible.
Wow.
I mean, I would like to. I think 485 is on the table, which is the CE of the weekly busy.
Yeah. You know,
Past 3 of us.
we're also going to hold that weekly busy as well. There. Dev, are you fully out there? Is Dev still in there? There he is, yeah.
Oh, Dev, it's longs again. You must be happy.
Dev's on lunch break right now. He asked if he could get into a trade. I told him just to long to 50%. So
You in California, Dev?
he's in Wisconsin
Oh, lunch break. Late lunch.
making that cheese.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Leppyrd coming in clutch with a dad joke.
Well, it's not a dad joke. They make cheese.
They do,
They do.
but it's also a double entendre
Oh, who?
because he's making money.
What do you- what
he's
do you
making
Oh,
mean?
cheese.
okay, yeah.
Double entendre. What the hell does that mean?
It means
Like a
when you
double
say something
header?
that has multiple meanings.
Okay.
People
Alright.
they do it in rap, you know, a lot.
Entendre? I've never
Yes.
heard that one.
Who took that long? Mark,
I
did
mean,
you?
I took it on the 5-minute inverse is what
Yeah.
I took, and that was a beauty.
No. Nice.
I
nice.
took that long too.
Beauty. 50's a target all the time.
But
I
only
think
on
we're
the
gonna
eval.
keep going. We really do.
Yeah.
I think we might. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we take the consolidation here.
Yeah.
67.
You know,
So
Mark.
the high, like Reaver picked a bad time to leave. So 612
Yeah.
is like to see taken. It's going to be a long shot, but we've seen 100.1-minute candles before, 10
What-
to 4.
What do you think about this hourly breaker though, Mark? That we're
I
coming
wouldn't
into?
enter for it, guys, but if you're in already, you keep a runner going for that.
Oh yeah.
But it's enter now is kind of madness. Look at this. It's not even
Yeah.
slowing down. No signs of slowing down. Just ripped right through the 4-hour inverse that we did. We're hitting a 4-hour order block now.
Yeah.
Not sure that's going to make a difference. Bearish.
We're about to inverse another 15 minutes and
Yeah.
42 seconds
We're
possibly.
hitting CE of the weekly BC as well.
Yeah.
So just be prepared. There could be resistance here, or if it disrespects it, then we're just going to fly. Yeah, I have a feeling ES or we'll take that high.
We're coming back up into that 4-hour OB now.
Hey,
We
Leppyrd.
what?
ES, I wouldn't be surprised if ES takes the high of the day.
Holy cow! Yeah. No, it's going to. It's absolutely going to. Holy cow. Yeah. No, you're not wrong.
It's fun to watch.
Yeah.
Great afternoon for Friday. Yeah,
It was.
it's-
Yeah.
Don't
Absolutely.
expect us on Fridays, and we're gonna have a good Monday too because we have NFP on
Mhm.
Friday.
Ooh, no 15-minute inversion, just a tick short.
So we hit the. I mean, when we reacted from like 50% of the wick of the
Yeah.
weekly order block, like that's a pretty strong level.
Yep.
And then if you really look at it, it's always so easy in hindsight. You look at the 15-minute from 1 o'clock, literally like just traded into the C of that and left.
Yep.
The FPG.
Oh, it's just ES. I'm looking
Yeah.
at.
Like
That's
we were above
Hindsight is
equilibrium.
great.
Nice trade. Just took that stupid 1 hour inverse thing off, you would have seen it better, I think. In 1 hour, it kind of clouded me because I was waiting for it to inverse.
yeah, it's
Are
clean.
you on the 15 there, Leppyrd?
I'm on the weekly. I was showing
Yeah,
where
show
we
them the wick.
bounced off the weekly OB. Yeah.
Yeah, that's like show them that. That was beautiful.
Yeah, the weekly OB sitting right here. Look at the wick. Right off
Right
the
at
wick
the
of the. Yeah. Look.
And then if you show them the FVG from the first 15-minute up, it's just perfect.
Yeah.
I love hindsight is always so easy.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And I could
Boom.
make millions by pretending to be a hindsight trader.
For
It's just
sure.
so easy. Everything looks perfect. Oh, in real time, it's
Well-
a real challenge.
Mark, your idea of longing from that FEG was bang on. Just had to enter of the OB on the 5-minute, and that would have been straight up.
Which
Run.
FVG, the 15?
No, if you look in the 5 minutes, so
Uh-huh.
5 minutes actually super clear. So exactly
The inverse?
2:30.
Mhm.
No, hold on. At exactly 2:30, we make an OB, and it's actually SMT bullish SMT with ES and
Oh,
Q.
yeah, it dug
The-
deep.
the-
Oh, I did buy that.
the-
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
I know,
Mhm.
and then it tapped the wick of that OB, and then it just went up, and it hasn't slowed down since. The wick was 327.50, and it's just up. Obviously, it's all hindsight, but wow,
Yeah.
that was the entry.
I think the 15 would have been a great entry too, because it's like, how much drawdown would you have taken, really? Let me just measure.
Of
13
313.
points of drawdown on that 15. Like, although it's above equilibrium, that's the only challenge.
Yep.
One from roughly 311. That makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yep.
That was a nice trade.
Beauty.
Very nice trade.
It's in a fat
Problem
buy.
was like that whole move down with that channel. It kept running order blocks, so it made it
Mhm.
challenging.
Beautiful.
As soon as we broke the channel, the thing just exploded.
Loaded. Yep.
All right, so before things get too hectic in the next couple minutes, because we do got 450 or 350 coming up,
Yep.
I just like to make a quick announcement about what we're doing. in the server, you know, for YouTube. We are currently running a like charity event for the server, where anybody that uses my referral code to buy any Apex accounts or anything like that, all of those contributions for the referrals will go to charity, and I'm matching that up to 50%, for or up to $250, 50% of the referrals that we get. So, so far we've already raised $300. So
Yep.
great
Awesome.
job, and everyone
Yeah.
that's been in here. But yeah, I'll try and get the link posted in Leppyrd's channel. I don't know if it'll deny me because it's a YouTube stream, but yeah, we're trying to give back and make money at the same time. So good job everyone that's been contributing to that. We really appreciate it.
Yep. I don't know if I threw
Reliably.
in there. I was also going to do 50% as well of whatever we raise. So me and you
Oh,
combined
okay,
will
cool.
match it basically. We'll match
Oh,
it
You're
over
cool.
two.
you could be cleaning up on 250Ks in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
It's just insane. It's just like
I,
straight
I
up.
mean, I already
I
kind
think
of
it's gonna
cleaned
go
up
610.
75
Mhm.
points, so like I'm not gonna complain like that I missed out on this, but
I think we're gonna close above 612. I really do. It's getting close to become reasonable.
Yep.
For the validating the monthly order block.
So Doggo, check the announcement channel for the code. Nice job,
Hitting a
Dev.
breaker.
We are hitting
I'm
that
so
breaker. Yep.
sorry.
The 15 breaker, the hourly breaker.
Now where we could stop is that 1 hour inverse at the order block.
Yep.
That was where I originally got in this morning.
Oh yeah.
There's a 1 hour FEG order block. As soon as that inverse, that's where I sold. But if we might get back up there and see some resistance. That's one area I'd watch.
Nice, Dev. Just so you know, Dev, you still just can't. You won't be able to pass that until the third day. If you stop right there, just so you know, on Top Step. You can go up to 103 ish, but this
350.
Is bullish as hell.
Here comes 6. If we get through this
high day, SMT, boom.
Oh,
Yeah,
if we get, let's see if we get through this FEG here. This is a key FEG that we're coming up to in the 1 hour. Very key. It's a balanced price range and has an order block. If we rip through that,
crazy. Who would have guessed
What a
ES
day.
would take a high of day when PM
This
trade
is one of the
started?
best days of the month. This is the best day of the month in my opinion.
It is. This is nuts.
For me at least.
Yeah.
Dude. Affy, you must be cleaning up on those 250s today.
Yep. Crazy.
Dude, how many of those 7 did you pass today?
We do have an SMT now, so just be careful.
Dude, nice. Very nice.
Yep. Rafi.
And you've had no problems getting paid? Like they're paying you okay? Like you're not getting any of that DCA stuff? Whatever it is.
Appreciate that, Courtney.
Oh, good stuff. We're hitting equilibrium with the Asian range. I won't be surprised if the last 5-minute candle gives us a super pump.
You think so?
Yeah. I mean, we are SMT, but this order block, I don't know. It's this FEG. Have you got it marked on your thing, Leppyrd? The 1 hour.
The 1 hour, yeah.
The balanced price ranger. That's the key FEG. That thing gets broken and damn.
Oh, this tiny little guy.
That's what I sold on. Yeah, because it was an order block FEG. As soon as we inversed that.
Oh, that's the one we inversed today because that's about right where we took that 1 minute
candle. Yeah.
Yep.
As soon as we opened the 10 o'clock candle, I sold like crazy. Because that was like an order block FEG. Those are like such key levels.
Yep. I don't see that holding us here.
I hope not. This is just insanity.
Uh-huh.
You just have to have a pulse to make money.
Those weekly
Everybody can.
Those weekly PD raise. Yeah.
All right, we're it's 5:44. Let's see.
ES just took Thursday's.
The FEG.
ES just took yesterday's high.
Insane. That's the thing. I told you, Dev. The indices, man, they're so bullish by nature. You can't write them all. I've got 3 150s on top step. I'm trying to get 2 more and I'll be done.
Yep.
At the top of the BPR.
Okay, we're in that BPR. I'm on 612.
Doesn't matter.
Yep.
It's not even there. It doesn't even matter.
Oh my goodness. We're hitting an order block though.
No, this is going higher.
Well, we're just hitting
And,
midnight open.
Yeah.
There's a 4-hour above that. That could be up
Yeah,
at
yeah.
592.50. That could also be another
Yep.
next level. Watch, we're
Yeah,
just in a
Mark.
minute.
Guess what, Mark? We are 60 points away from that that monthly OB.
612.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. It's nuts.
Could be absolutely wild.
I have
if we
I have
get
2
it.
micros running on my
Oh
broker
my
account.
god.
It's so good. Like it just keeps going.
Absolutely nuts.
We're hitting the top of the Asian range now.
Yeah.
What a pump.
What a day. Yeah.
All right, so we got 5 minutes to get to 6. Actually, no, it can get there after hours too.
Oh yeah. For sure.
I prefer to see the close at 4 and then just chop after hours.
Yep.
This is the TGIF, I guess, but this is more than TGIF.
It's more than TGIF. Yeah.
Like we close above CE of that weekly busy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The one
And
time
that's
we
healthy because
it is. I was gonna say the one time that we get TGIF. But
no, but it's also healthy because we hit the order block on the weekly. So
Mhm.
if it comes back up, it doesn't need to go back down before going back to the highs.
Mm.
Only got
Nice.
5 minutes.
Nice lolly.
5 minutes to get another 40 points, 50 points.
Appreciate you,
Very doable.
Casey.
Let's hope we can get there. Remember earlier, Leppyrd, you're like, no, it's never gonna get up that far.
I mean, would you have
I
guessed?
know these.
Ain't
Yeah,
there's-
I've seen this before.
There's not a
It's
soul
so-
in here that thought this was
When
going
it
to
gets
happen.
in these bull buy programs on indices, they're especially in NAS, it's unbelievable.
Type 1 if you thought we were going to have this kind of day up here. Yeah.
I thought it was possible.
Yeah. I see a bunch of zeros, my one. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I never would have guessed that. This is crazy.
No, we may not get up to 612.
We may not, but
Good start. Good job, Tony.
Yeah.
Let's hope we get a nice week next week because it's like
Yeah.
June is usually really good price action from my experience.
Yep. I mean, also like a lot of people think the market, the markets are going to start running into a election season too. So,
Yeah.
and
I
they
looked
usually
at the-
do, based on history, if you believe in the history. But
Especially with all the crap going on now, with all this like tension, it's gonna make
Yeah.
the markets a little bit more volatile, I think.
I have another question for chat. How many of you ended up green after the terrible morning we had?
Terrible. It was amazing.
yeah,
No, I'm talking about the AM stream
AM
specifically.
stream.
Us.
Oh, wow.
Well, I'm really glad that happened.
Look at that Look at the distribution
gone.
from that 15-minute order block up. It's insane.
Mhm.
You're on the hourly. It's just
Yeah,
insane.
I'm just watching the hourly here. I want to see. Yeah, I mean, we're just blowing through we're blowing through
Getting there.
the last 15
Could
sticky
take
here.
do it on the 4 o'clock candle too.
Yeah.
See.
Look at those hot equal highs at 631.5. Those are the equal highs I
We
wanted.
cleared the busy like it didn't even exist on the the balanced price range on the hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so close. It's got to get there. Come
I'll,
on.
I'll stay on I'm gonna stay on
I'm
a few minutes after close. See if we get up there.
I don't think we're gonna do it.
I don't know. That's a lot of points to get up there, and yeah.
Watch the 359 candle.
You know,
That's always a possibility.
Mark, we're still gonna close over the body. It looks like of that monthly candle. That monthly.
It is the monthly close. Like,
Yeah.
there is that catalyst of like, you know,
Yeah.
all of those positions getting closed out.
This is what it is now. This is all the profit taking from them.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little more than profit taking at this point. ES is making high a day. This is like profit taking and then leveraging into positions to hold over the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right. Let's see what the next candle does.
Yeah, yeah.
I'd love to see one of those 359 monsters. I love those.
Mm-hmm.
And then they have the big wick thing at 4, but we'll see. Oh, Midnight Open is providing support so far.
Yes.
Sitting at about 900 points of movement about 300 points ago. So
Right.
We're in the 59.
Oh
We're in the
my-
59 candle.
There we
Let's
go.
go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Big old buy model.
Might have to wait till 4. Who knows? Not doing it. Last 30 seconds.
Yep.
Give it a little pump. Oh boy, here we go.
There we go.
Let's go. Let's go. I love it.
Yep.
15 seconds.
look at the monthly.
I know.
It's like watching the pocket.
Oh my
game.
god, it's so close.
Oh, let's go. 5 minutes.
5 seconds.
Yeah, but the 4 o'clock can do it too.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, really?
Oh, it's 6:12 now. 6:21. Yeah, we got. Yeah.
got so close.
Later, Dan. Later,
You know, we
Kilo.
hit that. We hit that.
Nice
4
dev.
hour.
Nice dev. Nice dev.
That won't be surprised. 4 o'clock's probably going to do it.
Yeah.
Because up to 4:15, I think it technically gets included in daily candle.
Wow. Come on.
Well, we inversed everything on the hourly.
Yep.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
I think we're
this
bullish,
is-
guys.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see that taken.
How much? Let's see. NQ is what? NQ's flat on the day. That's insane.
Oh, you're kidding. Like
Nope.
this.
It's flat on the day. ES is almost up a full percent. YM's just
Unbelievable.
up. Yeah.
What a day. You
Percent
look at
and a
the
half.
candle, it's
What?
like it's the daily candle.
Mhm.
It's ugly.
Yeah.
It's like the doji of dojis.
Yeah.
Oh, get on Robinhood.
I'm
and
still
look at
going
the,
for it.
the 0 days for
Oh, that'd be
QQQ.
crazy.
Here we go. 12 points.
Daniel, I would just be selective with my I'll be selective with my entries on PM. I mean, if I'm red on AM and there's still like an A+ setup that you feel is
We're there,
great on
we're
PM.
there. Leppyrd.
Oh, I see it. Don't you worry, Mark. I've got it marked
Monthly
out.
order block.
Yeah.
Order block filled. Woo.
Got those equal highs still.
Wow.
Told you, Dev. Last
6:31.
night you were saying the world was ending.
Yeah,
Told you,
yeah.
man.
Mark, you did.
Yeah.
Where's the? Hold on. Someone queue up the GIF.
Yeah,
Wait.
we
Where
gotta
is
put
it?
that chat up.
Yeah, yeah. Gotta find it.
The indices, whenever they're so bullish, they're just so inherently bullish. You can never like underestimate.
There it
We'll
is.
see where we close. But
That's funny.
that is, it's insane.
Wow. Later,
Well, we did
Bernie.
it, but
Thanks for stopping,
we'll
guys.
see where it close. Well, thanks everybody. It was a great stream.
Yeah,
Well, I think that's the best day we've had in a long time.
yeah, yeah. That was great.
And we'll catch you all Monday.
Yeah, YouTube. Thanks, guys. We do this
Everybody,
every
get
single
some rest.
day, so stop in
Yeah,
and say
and we
hi.
hope to see a lot of you come join us. Yeah,
Yep.
for sure. Even if you join the free session, just come
Forward.
part of the
Sure.
community.
Yep.
All right, take care.
All right, later, guys. YouTube, peace out. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys a lot.